Welcome to Wisconsin, known for its rolling landscapes, sparkling lakes, and small-town charm. This state is packed with surprises for travelers. Welcome to Hidden Horizon. Today we're going beyond the cliches and exploring some of the most unique and unforgettable experiences Wisconsin has to offer. Let's start with the Kettle Moraine State Forest, a nature lover's paradise. This area features glacial hills, dense forests, and scenic hiking trails perfect for a weekend adventure. Whether you're hiking, biking, or simply enjoying a picnic, the forest offers a peaceful escape from city life. Next, Lake Geneva is a lakefront destination that combines natural beauty with small-town elegance. Rent a paddleboard, take a boat tour, or stroll along the lakefront promenade to soak in the charming atmosphere. It's an ideal spot for both adventure and relaxation. For family fun, Wisconsin Dells is a must-visit. Famous for its towering sandstone cliffs and vibrant water parks, the area offers endless entertainment. From scenic boat tours to adrenaline-pumping slides, Dells has something for every traveler. Up north, Bayfield is the gateway to the Apostle Islands. Kayak through sea caves, explore historic lighthouses, or enjoy the peaceful beaches of these 21 islands. In winter, the frozen caves create an almost otherworldly ice landscape. Wisconsin's largest city, Milwaukee, is a hub for culture and creativity. Explore vibrant street art, visit world-class breweries, and discover the city's rich history through museums and historic neighborhoods. Milwaukee is where Midwestern charm meets modern energy. The capital city, Madison, is full of energy and culture. Stroll through Capitol Square, check out the bustling farmers market, or bike along the city's extensive trail system. With lakes on every side, Madison blends city life with natural beauty seamlessly. Door County is another gem, known for its lighthouses, cherry orchards, and coastal scenery. Explore quaint towns like Sturgeon Bay, enjoy local wines and fresh seafood, and take in the views along the shoreline. It's a perfect mix of charm and adventure. For architecture enthusiasts, Taliesin in Spring Green is a must-see. This was Frank Lloyd Wright's home and studio, showcasing innovative design and a unique connection to nature that continues to inspire visitors today. And of course, Wisconsin wouldn't be complete without its legendary dairy farms. Visit a local farm for a cheese tasting, meet the cows, and learn how some of the country's best cheese is made. It's an authentic Midwestern experience you can't miss. From outdoor adventures and lakeside escapes to culture, architecture, and incredible food, Wisconsin offers something for every traveler. It's a state full of hidden gems waiting to be explored. So, which part of Wisconsin are you adding to your travel list? Thanks for watching Hidden Horizon. Hit like if you loved this tour, subscribe for more hidden destinations, and ring the bell so you never miss an adventure.